Good morning, students. Today we will do the partition of sample space. Partition of sample space means we are having, suppose, a sample space S and E1, E2, E3 and so on En are different partition. Sampling of sample space. Basically, this is sampling of sample space. So set E1, E2, E3 and so on En, they all are partition if first condition is the pairwise their intersection is empty, means they are disjoint. Union of all E1, E2 and so on En constitute sample space S, and Pi, probability of the event, probability of the partition is greater than 0, that means that is non-negative or it is greater than 0. So theorem on probability, first second is theorem of probability. PA is PE1 PA upon E1 plus PE2 PA upon E2 and so on PEN PA upon EN. The third topic is Bayes theorem. This is very important. It is an important application of conditional probability in computation of unknown probabilities on the basis of information provided in the experiment. Now, what is Bayes theorem? Now, if E1, E2 and so on En are n non-empty events which constitute a partition of sample space S, that is E1, E2 and En are pairwise disjoint, that we have already, their intersection is empty. E1, E2, En, their union is equal to S, and A, B, any event of non-zero probability, then PEI upon A is equal to PEI into PA upon EI upon sigma PEJ PA upon EJ, where I running from 1 to n. Let me solve the question to clear the concept. Now exercise second question is a bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Another bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One of the two bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. Find the probability that ball is drawn from first bag. दो बैग है, दोनों बैग्स में रेड बॉल्स हैं. रेड बॉल की निकालने की प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है और वो रेड बॉल जो है वो पहले बैग में से आए, ये कंडीशन है. सो दिस इज सैम्पलिंग ऑफ सैंपल. लेट वी सी द सॉल्यूशन. नाउ यू आर गिवन, let B1 is the selection of one bag event, B2 is the event selection of bag 2. बैग पहले में 4 रेड और 4 ब्लैक बॉल्स हैं. सेकंड बैग में 2 रेड और 6 ब्लैक बॉल्स हैं. सो लेट R be the event of getting a red ball. Now red ball is from bag 1. पहले बैग में 4 रेड है, 4/8 1/2. दूसरे बैग से रेड बॉल P, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ RB2 रेड बॉल सेकंड बैग में से 2/8 1/4, दोनों में 8 बॉल्स हैं. नाउ द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रॉइंग ए रेड बॉल फ्रॉम बैग 1, बैग 1 में से R बॉल की, रेड बॉल की बैग 1 में से, इट इज़ PB1 into P R upon B1, PB1 P R upon B1 plus PB2 R upon B2. In the Bayes theorem, this sigma sign means whatever the events are given, you have to write their conditional probability and sum up. Now this is So now substituting the values, probability of red ball is 1 by 2. This is probability of बैग 1. बैग 1 और बैग 2 की probability दोनों की हाफ हाफ है. हाफ. Red ball from bag 1 1 by 2. This is same. Probability of bag 2 1 by 2. दोनों की हाफ हाफ probabilities है bags की. Probability of red ball from bag 2. Red ball from bag 2 is 1 by 4. On calculation it is 2 by 3. Let me do one more question. In answering a question on a multiple choice, a student either knows the answer or guesses. 3 by 4 be the probability that he knows the answer and 1 by 4 be the probability that he guesses. Assuming student who guesses at answer will be correct is 1 by 4. What is the probability that student knows the answer given that answer is correct? Now see the solution. Let we suppose K be the event that student knows the answer and G be the event student guesses the answer and A is the event that answer is correct. Now probability of knowing the answer is given 3 by 4. Probability of guessing the answer is given 1 by 4. Probability of correct answer if he knows is 1 and probability of he gives the correct answer by guessing. Guesses the answer, PA upon G क्या हो गया? Probability that student answer correctly and that is given by guess. So A upon G is 1 by 4. This is given in the question. Now when student knows the answer and answer is correct, probability K upon A, he knows the answer and answer is correct. So it is PK PA upon K, PK PA upon K plus PG PA upon G. Substitute these all values. PK is 3 by 4, this is 1, 3 by 4 1, 1 by 4 1 by 4, this is already calculated. So answer is 12 by 13. Let me do one more question. A manufacturer has 3 machines three machine operator A, B and C. The first operator A produces 1% of defective items, whereas other 2 operator B and C produces 5 and 7% of defective items respectively. B की 7%, C की 7%, B की 5%. Now A is on the job of 50% of the time, B is on the job of 30% of time, C is on the job of 20% of the time. If defective item is produced, what is the probability that produced by operator A? So let we have A1, B2 and C3 are respective events of time consumed by machine A, B and C. A ने A1 टाइम लिया, B ने B2, C ने C3. These are the events of time consumed. Now probability of A1 50%, 50 by 100, 1 by 2. Probability of event B2 30 by 100, 3 by 10. Probability of C3 20%, 20 by 100, 1 by 5. Let X be the event producing defective items. So probability of defective item produced by operator A1 is 1%. This is given 1%. This is B2 5% and C3 7%. Calculate their probabilities. Now the defective item is produced by A1. Event E1 by operator A. So Bayes theorem, using Bayes theorem we can have PA1X is PA1 P x upon A1, PA1 P x upon A1 plus PB2 P x upon B2 plus PC3 P x upon C3. So when you substitute these all values, you can have answer 5/34, means we have calculated the defective item which is produced by A, operator A. Thank you.